Every bottle begins in the quiet of the orchard.
Only the best fruit earns the journey ahead.
Traceability starts at the source. Freshness depends on speed. The factory awaits its harvest. Timing protects the fruit's natural vitality. Processing begins where agriculture meets industry. The transition from field to factory is complete. Quality control starts before unloading.
Every mile is carefully controlled.
This is where volume meets precision.
Raw fruit officially enters processing.
Gravity begins the transformation. Efficiency moves in both directions. Human eyes reinforce machine accuracy. Cleanliness defines every standard. Surface impurities are gently removed. Moisture is precisely controlled. Uniformity ensures consistent yield. Precision begins the extraction. Now the fruit gives up its essence. Fresh juice is released. Nothing useful is wasted. The base product is now formed. Safety is engineered into every drop.
Time and temperature work together.
Stability prepares it for scale. Freshness is locked in instantly. Consistency defines the brand. Automation ensures repeatable perfection. Every variable is measured.
Human oversight never leaves the system.
Clean in place keeps operations pure. The line moves forward again.
Containers are prepared with equal care.
Precision moves at industrial speed.
Seals protect freshness.
Information travels with every bottle.
Only perfection continues.
Quality is verified, not assumed.
Standards are scientifically enforced.
Safety is checked beyond sight.
Records protect accountability.
The product is cleared to move on. Individual bottles become commercial units.
Efficiency reaches full scale. Distribution completes the journey.
Freshness is preserved until delivery.
Distribution completes the journey. And this is how modern factories produce orange juice from start to finish.